Hi, hello, welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the strange and the incredible things about the planet. The Earth is wonderfully weird, right? The planet we all call home is even more bizarre than you might imagine. There's no doubt that the planet Earth is inspiring. So the Earth is filled with plenty of strange and incredible things. Here are a handful of things on this planet that you probably had no idea existed. At number 1, aerogel. Aerogel looks like a slice of cloud. Aerogel is an ultralight material made from gel and gas. It's been nicknamed frozen smoke or solid cloud because of its ethereal appearance. Scientists have created more than a dozen recipes for different types of aerogel, but they all share a similar process. Mix chemicals together, let them settle in a wet gel, and then suck all the liquid out of it. So the result is a substance of extremely low density that is actually 99% air. Because it's made primarily of air, and air is such a terrible heat conductor, placing a layer of aerogel between a flower and a flame will protect the flower from getting destroyed. At number 2, Venta Black. Venta Black is the darkest known substance in the universe. Venta Black is a nanomaterial that is darker than any substance on Earth. It was developed in the UK by Surrey Nanosystems in 2015 and is actually a collection of vertical carbon tubes that are grown on a substrate. Venta Black absorbs 99.98% of the light that hits its surface. This means that the human eye technically sees nothing when it looks at a Venta Black, making it closest thing to staring into a black hole. At number 3, Rainbow Eucalyptus. Doesn't it sound interesting? Yes, it's rainbow eucalyptus tree that have candy-colored bark. The Eucalyptus deglupta tree may look like it has fallen out of a Dr. Seuss book, but it actually grows in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Philippines. This unique tree has multicolored bark that features bright blue, orange, purple, green, and maroon streaks. The unusual colors are a side effect of the tree's shedding. According to Missouri Botanical Garden, as strips of bark peel away, the tree's bright green inner bark is revealed. This inner layer slowly matures and turns a range of colors. At number 4, bismuth. Bismuth is an element with a psychedelic surface. You may remember the chemical element bismuth from your high school chemistry class, but you probably had no idea that it has a colorful, iridescent appearance. Bismuth has a unique stair-step growth pattern in which the outer edges form more quickly than the inner areas, according to the life science. This results in a crystalline structure that appears to be made of interlocking rainbow squares. At number 5, Point Nemo. The most inaccessible place in the world is called Point Nemo. Point Nemo is the farthest point from land on Earth. Officially known as the Oceanic Point of Inaccessibility, it's located in the center of triangle made by Ducie Island, Motunui, and Meher Island near Antarctica. It is so far from land that the closest humans to Point Nemo are usually astronauts. The International Space Station orbits the Earth from a distance of about 258 miles, while the closest inhabitant spot to the Point Nemo is more than 1,670 miles away. At number 6, tardigrades. Tardigrades are microorganisms that can survive in outer space. Tardigrades, also called water bears or moss piglets, are fascinating microorganisms that can survive just about anywhere. They prefer to hang out in moist places like mud or moss, but according to the Smithsonian Magazine, the creatures can survive in an environment at least as cold as minus 328 degrees Fahrenheit or as hot as 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists have also found that the water bears can survive radiation, boiling liquids, pressure more than 6 times that of the deepest part of the ocean, and even the vacuum of space. At number 7, the Danakil Depression. The Danakil Depression looks like the surface of an alien planet. Ethiopia's Danakil Depression is the home to one of the most bizarre-looking landscapes on Earth. Located in the Afar Triangle, this surreal spot is dotted with crackling lava pools, neon-colored hot springs, and sparkling salt flats. Poisonous gases swirl around hydrothermal fields, and many of the area's pools are filled with acid. At number 8, underground cathedral in Colombia made entirely of salt. The Salt Cathedral of Zipaquira is an underground Roman Catholic church in Cundinamarca, Colombia that was excavated from a salt mine in 1954. It is completely made of salt and is located 180 meters below the surface of the small town of Zipaquira. At number 9, goblin sharks. Goblin sharks are living fossils that look straight out of the nightmare. Goblin sharks are a rare species of deep-sea shark that are sometimes referred to as living fossils. They are the only known remaining member of the ancient Mitsucurinidae family of sharks. Goblin sharks are notable for their distinctive elongated jaws, which are filled with nail-like teeth. They are able to detect the electric currents emitted by other animals and rapidly extend their jaws in order to snatch up the prey. This creature was actually the inspiration for Neomorph in Alien Covenant, according to the Digital Spy. At number 10, the Blue Angel Sea Slug. The Blue Angel Sea Slug looks like an alien. Glaucus atlanticus is a species of sea slug nicknamed the Blue Angel. This otherworldly creature is as rare as it is beautiful and is only found on the coast of South Africa and Australia. The slug's mesmerizing looks belie a dangerous nature. The Blue Angel is a carnivorous and feeds on other venomous sea creatures such as the Portuguese man-o-war. It collects the venom from its prey in specialized sacs, concentrates it, and then uses the venom on future prey. So that's all for today's information. So hope you like all the information which I have provided. Hit like, share and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.